Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday, 8th of March. Number one, join the Discord. Number two, take this course. Okay, I've already come up with a course called Pirate Trader, and 29 bucks you're gonna get unlimited information. You can read about the details watching the YouTube video as well. Okay, I'm gonna talk in detail what you're gonna learn from this one. All right, so back into the Bitcoin charts right now. Bitcoin has managed to do this thing, and I'm gonna go into the daily. And it seems like there's a lot of fight left in Bitcoin and it's not looking to go down. Now, one thing is very clear, you're still not losing this line, okay? Yesterday, it seems like you went down, and for a moment, I actually thought that this is looking to dump to the 34K. But then when I saw the daily was like, coming back above this line once again, I just understood that it was only a quick wick to the downside, and then from here you start to pick right to the upside. Now, in my opinion, um, you're actually gonna maybe spend a little bit of a sideways movement here, and then boom, you start to go to the upside, and then you come to the downside here, spend some times a little bit there, and then go up and come down, and then you go and pop out, or you pop to the downside to the $34,000 when you reach the apex. Okay, so when you're gonna be closer to the apex, you're gonna see a lot of stories forming up. So this apex is actually nearly 5th of May. So before that, we're going to actually get an answer anytime soon, okay? If and only if this is some sort of an ascending triangle, okay? But when you see an ascending triangle after a downtrend, it actually makes sense for Bitcoin to push to the upside, backtest, and then move to the upside. And I'm going to tell you the technical target out of this ascending triangle. I'm going to just tell you from there to there. That's gonna be something like nearly just gonna put this to the side right there. It's gonna take you to the 58,000 region. Okay, so that's the next technical target out of that ascending triangle. And if you pop to the downside of the ascending triangle, 34,000 is your next technical target. Now you are in a prison right now, so this is a prison. You are in a jail. You're spending some time here until 5th of May, so your criminal sentence is gonna take like until 5th of May. When we reach 5th of May, or before that, you're gonna have the judge come in and tell the decision in the court if you're actually gonna be hanged, and they're gonna kill you, or they're actually gonna leave you home. So if you're gonna be hanged, you're gonna see Bitcoin going to the downside. That's a bad punishment. But if they actually let you go home, then you go up like this, you come back to the security guards right here, you kiss them goodbye, and then you go to the upper target right there. So that's exactly what I'm expecting out of Bitcoin, okay? So if you guys really want to have an amazing experience learning how to trade just the way I explained that cheesy example that I gave, take this course. I do have so many other examples right here for you to learn. It's beginner friendly. You guys are going to enjoy this one. And I'm pretty sure I can say with confidence, by the end of this course, you are not going to lose again. Seriously, just try it. And today I'm not going to have actually a very long update for Bitcoin, but right now this is the only progress that I see. And yesterday, I saw this spinning top right here. So let's talk about the spinning top before I close the video. So I'm going to zoom in into this one right here, and that's known as a spinning top. This is a candlestick that actually indicates a reversal is about to happen, and it makes more sense when it comes in a downtrend and when you find spinning top right at the support level. So this spinning top is going to play out tomorrow. I'm expecting a pump to the upside instead of us going to the downside. So if anyone is still thinking we're going to go down, I don't think so. I seriously don't think so, and I think we're going to start to move up from here. Okay. Yeah, so let me actually do a quick Google for spinning tops as well. So spinning top candlestick, right? So here we are, spinning top candlestick images, and this is how they look like. Actually, I just want to show you the picture side of it. So this is the picture side of the spinning top, and this is exactly what I'm expecting right now. So what you can see here is that you have a downtrend, you see the spinning top, and then you start to move to the upside, right? So it can be in a downtrend, it can be in an uptrend as well. For example, we do have so many examples here. This one is another one. So you can already see that when you see a spinning top, from here you start to reverse and you go to the upside. This is what Bitcoin exactly did. You made a spinning top down there, so it's looking to actually continue the momentum to shift to the upside. Actually, the only time frame that I'm interested in technical analysis right now is the daily. So if you're actually diving into the 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame, you're gonna get confused because there's a lot of noise inside there. So what I want to do is have a confirmation on the daily, because the daily is looking way more better. And yesterday I talked about this inverted hammer as well, and so far it seems like it's not disappointing us. Do you see that this week you're starting to actually get green again? So all these candlesticks combined with support and resistance level, they actually work and they make you to come up with a better decision. So I'm expecting this week to be green and next week to be green as well. And then from there, after 10 days, we're gonna have a little bit of a break and calm down. And then from there, continue like this until you come to the end of the apex. And then we're gonna get the decision of either going to the upside or you're gonna go to the downside as well. So that's it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this one. Join the Discord, take the course, read about the course, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.